Bringing industry's leaders under one roof, the 36th IATO convention sheds light on the industry's preparedness across all verticals.
You've got your medias, you have got the whole thing ready. But when do you propose to launch it? Because I think that's important for everybody. Because the day you launch it, their work starts.
We were, in fact, pitching for 1st of Jan, and that was the thought that could we just kind of herald the new year in and send a positive signal that India is ready on 1st of Jan, and that still remains as a thought. The only issue for India with the UK, USA, Germany, France being our large source markets is that if they are shutting down, then is it the right time? I mean, that's where the close call lies for us.
Just leave the government for a minute out of this whole thing. As a hotel chain, as one of the largest, what is your role? What did you do in the past? But more importantly, what are you doing in future to get the tourists back?
All our key operators in international markets, so we have activated. So in fact, I personally also feel that the web of the tourism, the way it used to operate a few years back, has got disrupted. I'm not saying it's got destroyed. So we need to kind of go back and reconnect with people. And it's a job which we need to do together.
When will you do that?
We've already started work on it. We've started work.
So from March, you're saying you'll launch your campaign and go ahead
in March, we launched the campaign. We've been having outreach programs that has been going on for the last 6 months. We were very confident that we would start seeing things turning around from March. So we started this work 3 months back. We had built confidence. We also had bookings starting March, April onwards. Unfortunately, we've seen a lot of cancellation in the last 2 weeks. And things are not as bad as what we thought it would be, because we had private jets coming in, we had series started getting booked. So there was a lot of positivity in that market.
He's starting his campaign in March. Madam saying by January. I'm saying, is the tour operator now ready to welcome the foreign tourists if they come here?
I think most of us are. I think most of us absolutely know what we have to do, but this is a tremendous era of competition, so everybody's got their trump card up their sleeves, but everybody, believe me, is looking at Middle East, looking at the markets that are emerging. I'm sure if you ask individually any of the people, they have their planned marketing campaign ready. I can guarantee you that.
IATO convention always gives us a great platform for networking, for learning, for sharing our experiences, and I think it's a very wonderful, successful effort.
The IATO, being a pioneer apex body of Tour Operators Association, does feel that if the restrictions with all safety protocols being followed are taken up, we'll see that good number of foreign tourists arriving in India.
The environment is quite upbeat, and I'm sure things will be coming back with a bang, and things will be back to normal very, very soon.
IATO has always been playing a very important role every year to strategize the future roadmaps, and especially this year it's been very, very important after the mega show in Calcutta. After 2 years, we're having this IATO convention here in Gandhinagar.